The action camera market is about to be turned upside down, and if you've been holding off on an upgrade, your patience is about to be rewarded in ways you never imagined because the DJI Osmo Action 7 isn't just an incremental update. It is a total reimagining of what a rugged sensor can achieve. We are standing on the precipice of a new era in portable cinematography, where the lines between professional cinema cameras and pocket-sized powerhouses are finally blurring into irrelevance. For years, the industry has played a safe game of minor spec bumps and software tweaks, but the leaked blueprints for the Action 7 suggest that DJI is no longer interested in playing fair. Imagine a device that breathes in low light, capturing the subtle nuances of a midnight trail run or a deep-sea dive with the clarity of a high-end mirrorless setup, all while maintaining a form factor that survives a 50-foot drop into jagged rocks. This is the promise of the next generation. The heart of this beast is rumored to be a revolutionary sensor architecture that prioritizes dynamic range over simple pixel counts, allowing you to salvage details in the brightest highlights and the darkest shadows that would have been a muddy mess on any previous model. You aren't just recording video. You're capturing raw data that gives you the freedom to grade, crop, and manipulate your footage like a Hollywood colorist. The internal processing engine has been overhauled to handle massive data throughput, enabling frame rates that turn chaotic motion into buttery smooth masterpieces without the dreaded overheating issues that have plagued competitors for a decade. DJI has mastered the art of heat dissipation, and the Action 7 is set to be the coolest operator in the hottest environments. But the real magic lies in the intelligence baked into the silicon. We are looking at AI-driven stabilization that doesn't just smooth out bumps, but actually predicts your movement, creating a gimbal-like experience that feels organic and cinematic rather than robotic and sterile. Whether you're mounting this to the hood of a supercar screaming across the desert or clipping it to a mountain bike navigating a technical descent, the footage remains locked, level, and breathtakingly sharp. The interface has been refined to be invisible, allowing the technology to get out of the way of your creativity. Dual OLED high-brightness screens mean you can frame your shots perfectly even under the blistering midday sun of the Sahara, with touch responsiveness that works even when your hands are soaking wet or covered in grime. The ecosystem is expanding too, with a magnetic mounting system that has been reinforced to withstand extreme G-forces, ensuring that your investment stays exactly where you put it no matter how intense the action gets. Audio hasn't been an afterthought either. A multi-microphone array with advanced wind reduction algorithms ensures that your voice cuts through the roar of the ocean or the howl of the wind, making this the ultimate tool for vloggers who refuse to carry bulky, external gear. We're talking about a battery life that defies the laws of physics, utilizing new chemical compositions to provide hours of 4K recording in sub-zero temperatures where other cameras simply give up and die. This is the tool for the dreamers, the adrenaline junkies, and the storytellers who need a camera that is as tough as their ambitions. As we dive deeper into the leaked specs, it becomes clear that the competition is scrambling to catch up to a standard they didn't see coming. The integration with the DJI Mimo app is seamless, offering instant editing suites that use machine learning to pick out your best moments and sync them to the beat of a soundtrack before you've even unmounted the camera. This is more than a gadget. It's a portal to a higher level of content creation. The Action 7 is designed for the high-stakes world of premium content where every frame counts and missing the shot is not an option. From the redesigned lens optics that minimize distortion, to the expanded color profiles that offer 10-bit log recording straight out of the box, every inch of this device screams professional grade. You're about to witness the death of the Action Cam stigma and the birth of the Everywhere Cam. Stay tuned as we break down every single secret feature, every hidden menu, and every reason why this is the only camera you will need for the next 5 years. The Revelet Ion isn't just coming. It's already here, tucked inside a sleek, ruggedized shell that's ready to conquer the world one frame at a time.